Hi, I'm Blake. I'm a Toza's YouTube star, so let's get unboxing. Hi, my name's Blake, and today I'll be unboxing this Nexx stand radio control superbike. Let's get it open. Okay, inside you get this, I think, medium motorbike, and it has this flimsy thing so it doesn't break, which I'm very happy with because I break things a lot. And let's see, here's the remote control,
music licensing,
so you can put it on here. And then you put it on here. It's flickering at the back. And it's flickering here now. And there it is. You can do twirls with this. You can go straight, you can go back, left and right. And you can drive either on smooth or bumpy surfaces. You can go fast or slow, and the motorbike's actually balancing itself because there is some tiny wheels here that's keeping it up, which is quite smart actually. And this makes you turn, and this makes you turn. This makes you go forward and back. This makes you go left and right. This is the on and off button, and this makes the light. And there's slow and fast. He's got some stickers on him. It says Nexx, and here it has the controls of the motorbike, and then some more buttons at the side. My favorite feature about this bike is that you can do donuts over and over and over until you want him to stop. Let's give it a try. So thanks for watching my video of the Nexx stand radio control superbike. Bye!